1965 Lincoln. And I'm going to give you a rare look at what's going on with these convertibles. So in this one, the owners thoughtfully put the trunk up, and surprise, this is rear hinged. Well, it's not that much surprise for because things have to. So we've got some of the motors that's to go in and to store the roof. And then we've got the tool kit, the rams to pop this up. The roof is partially up here. There's the back seats. And there's the V8. So just look at the convertible mechanism on Lincoln Continental.